Have you ever felt that something in your life just doesn't add up, as if you're living in a carefully constructed world designed to keep you in check? If so, you're not alone. Many individuals question the nature of reality and ponder whether we're ensnared in a metaphorical matrix. But breaking free from this perceived illusion is not only possible, it's a journey of self-discovery, self-liberation, and self-empowerment. To comprehend the concept of leaving the matrix, we must first grasp what the matrix is: a system of control meticulously crafted by the powerful 1% of humanity to maintain dominance over the remaining 99%. This system has persisted for centuries, shaping the world and perpetuating the rule of the powerful. Drawing parallels with historical control mechanisms, such as those of the Roman Empire, highlights the continuity of manipulation throughout time. Central to the Matrix's control is its reliance on fear-based emotions, using fear as a tool to manipulate and control. The controllers, often referred to as the ites, actively discourage individuals from breaking free and attaining personal freedom. The suppression of truth about the Matrix, presented as a holographic game fueled by low consciousness and fear, remains an ongoing effort. Humanity's connection to the Earth and respect for all life have been severed as part of the Matrix's strategy. As humanity reaches a pivotal moment, a great awakening is unfolding, aligning with predictions from spiritual teachers and sacred texts. The Earth itself is shifting towards a higher realm of love and compassion, offering individuals the opportunity to shift alongside it. Recognizing the signs of leaving the Matrix is crucial in this transformative process. In this first stage of transformation, individuals experience a profound shift in their relationship with fear, an emotional metamorphosis that marks the initial step toward leaving the Matrix. It's a moment of awakening, where the realization dawns that fear is not an inherent aspect of reality, but rather a construct of deeply ingrained beliefs. This understanding is pivotal, as it enables individuals to peel back the layers of illusion surrounding fear and question the narratives that have been meticulously woven into the fabric of their consciousness. Imagine, for most of your life, navigating a world where fear seems to lurk around every corner, a meticulously constructed reality designed to keep you in a perpetual state of anxiety and apprehension. However, one day, a veil lifts, and you see fear for what it truly is: an illusion, a phantom created by a complex web of control. This recognition is the cornerstone of the journey to leaving the Matrix. The Matrix, often likened to a holographic game fueled by low consciousness and fear, thrives on the lifeblood of negative energy. Fear is the tool it employs to manipulate and control, to keep individuals tethered to a state of perpetual worry. As Dolores Cannon aptly pointed out, fear is not real. It is a construct of beliefs that have been carefully implanted within the human psyche. The controllers, often referred to as the ites, view any quest for personal freedom as a threat, a virus infecting their meticulously crafted matrix. Their relentless efforts to suppress the truth about the Matrix and perpetuate fear-based narratives are part of an ongoing drama that keeps individuals subdued. Bills, insurance, debt, politics, all rooted in fear, serve as the building blocks of this illusory world, a world that the awakened individual begins to question. Breaking free from the fear-based programming is a monumental step towards leaving the Matrix. It's akin to stepping out of the shadows and into the light of a newfound awareness. The journey involves dismantling the belief system that fear is an inescapable reality, realizing that it's a tool used to manipulate and control. As the grip of fear loosens, individuals embark on a path of conscious questioning, challenging the narratives imposed upon them by the Matrix. In the second stage of awakening, the journey to leave the Matrix takes a tangible turn as individuals navigate the dissonance within their work environments. It's a process marked by a growing discomfort within settings that prioritize profit at the expense of well-being. This dissonance, akin to a discordant note in the symphony of consciousness, becomes an unmistakable signal that prompts a profound reevaluation of both career and lifestyle choices. Consider the industries of alcohol, drugs, pharmaceuticals, and large corporations, sectors notorious for prioritizing profit margins over the holistic well-being of individuals. These industries are integral cogs in the machinery of the matrix, perpetuating its control by promoting products and practices that can be detrimental to both physical and emotional health. As Dolores Cannon highlighted, we are vibrational beings sensitive to the energies that surround us. In the process of awakening to the illusion of the matrix, individuals become acutely aware that something is profoundly wrong in environments that propagate fear-based practices. This awareness manifests as a physical and emotional disquiet. Headaches, back pain, and an overall sense of unease serve as signals from the body and soul that they are no longer in harmony with the matrix and its values. This vibrational dissonance becomes even more pronounced as society transitions between remote work and traditional office settings. The return to these corporate landscapes can be particularly challenging for those who have outgrown the old paradigm, feeling like tuning forks resonating at a different frequency. Leaving the matrix often involves a courageous shift in career paths and lifestyle choices, an alignment with environments where one's vibrational frequency can resonate harmoniously. In the third stage of the transformative journey to leave the matrix, a profound shift occurs in the approach to health and wellness. This pivotal sign marks a conscious decision to break free from self-destructive patterns, unveiling a newfound understanding of the intricate connection between physical and spiritual well-being. Picture a moment when a light switches on within, illuminating the understanding that the physical body is not merely a vessel, but a sacred temple for the soul. This realization becomes a cornerstone of the journey toward higher consciousness, prompting individuals to reevaluate their lifestyles, habits, and choices. Harmful habits that once clouded both body and consciousness, such as excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, and drug use, begin to lose their allure. These substances, once seen as temporary escapes, are now recognized as agents that not only harm the body, but also perpetuate the cycle of suffering. This awareness becomes a catalyst for change, urging individuals to embark on a journey of self-healing. Exercise, once seen solely as a physical activity, transforms into a form of moving meditation, a way to honor the physical temple and enhance spiritual growth. Physical activity is now understood as a practice that not only strengthens the body, but also clears the mind, allowing access to higher states of consciousness. This transformation extends beyond mere changes in habits. It marks a profound shift in perspective on life itself. The body is now acknowledged as the vessel through which individuals experience the world, and treating it with reverence becomes a way of honoring the divine spark within. The journey becomes a conscious commitment to well-being, not just as a means of physical health, but as an integral part of spiritual growth. This newfound awareness prompts individuals to seek holistic well-being practices that align with their awakened consciousness. Whether through practices like yoga, tai chi, or spending time in nature, the journey involves integrating activities that nourish both body and spirit. The transformation is not just skin deep, it's a holistic shift that permeates every aspect of life. In the fourth stage of the transformative journey towards leaving the matrix, individuals consciously detach themselves from mainstream news and media. This deliberate act is not rooted in ignorance or isolation, but is a strategic move towards reclaiming personal agency over attention and discernment. It's a process of recognizing the profound impact that attention has in sustaining the systems of control woven into the fabric of mainstream narratives. Imagine a scenario where your attention becomes a valuable resource, and you realize that where you choose to direct it holds immense power. This understanding becomes a guiding principle in the journey to higher consciousness. Dolores Cannon's wisdom serves as a beacon, illuminating the crucial role attention plays in the perpetuation of fear, division, and sensationalism within mainstream media. Leaving the matrix requires a conscious choice to disengage from fear-based narratives that often dominate mainstream news. As individuals awaken, they see through the carefully crafted facade and recognize that mainstream media serves as a mouthpiece for the matrix agenda. It thrives on fear, division, and sensationalism, designed to keep the population in a perpetual state of unease and distraction. The conscious detachment from mainstream media is not a passive act, but a proactive decision to protect mental and emotional well-being. It's an acknowledgement that discernment and conscious choices contributed to weakening the matrix's hold on society. Individuals on this journey become critical thinkers, questioning the narratives presented and seeking deeper truths beneath the surface. In this stage, individuals actively seek out alternative sources of information that provide a more balanced and nuanced view of the world. They become guardians of their own mental and emotional space, steering clear of the constant barrage of negativity and fear that mainstream media often fosters. This intentional disengagement is a pathway to freedom, a liberation from the manipulative narratives that have held sway over consciousness. The conscious choice to detach from mainstream media is not just about turning away, it's about turning inward. It's an exploration of alternative perspectives, a quest for deeper truths, and a commitment to staying informed without succumbing to the fear-based agenda. In the fifth stage of the journey to leave the matrix, the transformation takes a tangible and profound turn as individuals feel a magnetic pull towards nature. This isn't merely a superficial appreciation. It's a deepening connection that beckons them to align with the Earth's transformative journey, a journey towards a higher realm of consciousness. Envision a scenario where the allure of the concrete jungle diminishes, replaced by an unspoken bond with the planet, a connection that transcends the artificial constructs of the matrix. The awakened individual feels this call to align with the Earth's ascension, recognizing the planet's role in the grand tapestry of existence. This powerful attraction to nature prompts significant lifestyle changes. The individual may find themselves leaving behind the hustle and bustle of the city, seeking solace in the serenity of a peaceful village or the tranquility of the countryside. The motivation is not just a desire for a change in scenery, it's a conscious choice to live in harmony with the Earth's rhythms, away from the structures of the matrix. In this stage, the yearning to live off the grid becomes a guiding force. Individuals embark on a journey of self-sufficiency, cultivating a profound sense of independence. They start growing their own food, recognizing this act as a sacred dance with nature, an acknowledgement of the Earth's abundance and the interconnectedness of all life. Living off the grid is more than a lifestyle choice. It's a declaration of sovereignty. The individual consciously reduces reliance on matrix infrastructure, incorporating sustainable technologies like solar panels, wind turbines, and other eco-friendly practices. It's a transformative act that goes beyond personal independence. It's a tangible commitment to lessen the environmental footprint and align with the Earth's energy. Moreover, this stage often involves the formation of intentional communities with like-minded individuals who share a vision of a more harmonious and sustainable way of life. These communities become beacons of hope, showcasing the possibility of living in harmony with both nature and one another. Dolores Cannon's teachings resonate deeply in this context, emphasizing the Earth's transformation and the opportunity for humanity to shift alongside it. In the culminating stage of the transformative journey to leave the matrix, individuals undergo a profound shift in perspective, an evolution characterized by detached observation. This final sign represents a conscious choice to transcend divisive narratives, becoming an observer rather than a reactive participant in the chaos presented by those in power. Imagine a scenario where the divisive narratives, conflicts, and divisions orchestrated by the controllers of the matrix lose their grip on an individual's consciousness. Dolores Cannon's teachings, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life, become a guiding light. The realization that humanity is akin to individual cells in the body of a greater whole, the body of God, transforms the way individuals engage with the world. This shift is not rooted in apathy. It is a wisdom-born detachment. Individuals recognize that the goal of those in power is to keep humanity divided, fostering the illusion of separation. In this profound understanding, harming another person is seen as no different from harming oneself, as all are part of the same cosmic tapestry. As observers, individuals become silent witnesses to the chaos and discord that surround them. This detachment is not an avoidance of reality, but a profound wisdom that understands impulsivity, perpetuates the cycle of separation and fear. The observer stance becomes a conscious choice to rise above the divisive battles orchestrated by the Matrix. In this newfound role, individuals become beacons of light amidst turmoil, radiating calm and compassion. Their presence serves as a reminder of the higher truth that transcends the illusions of the Matrix, the interconnectedness of all life. By refusing to be drawn into the divisive narratives orchestrated by those in power, individuals contribute to the weakening of the Matrix's grip on collective consciousness. Unity becomes a guiding principle, and individuals understand that their refusal to participate in the battles orchestrated by the Matrix paves the way for a more harmonious and enlightened world. This final stage is not just a personal achievement, it's a collective contribution to the dissolution of the Matrix. By embodying the interconnectedness of all life, individuals become agents of change, actively participating in the co-creation of a reality free from the shackles of fear and division. Leaving the Matrix is not an act of madness, but an act of awakening, a journey of self-discovery, self-liberation, and self-empowerment. As individuals recognize the signs and make conscious choices to break free from fear-based programming, they become agents of change, weakening the Matrix's grip on society. The ongoing Great Awakening is a collective endeavor, and each individual plays a vital role in reclaiming sovereignty and guiding humanity towards a brighter future. The choice is presented: remain in the illusion of the Matrix or step into the paradise of Eden, emphasizing that the path to awakening is before each individual. Remember, you are not alone on this transformative journey.